Rachel, and today I'm filming a makeup look, and I'm very excited to do it because I feel like I haven't sat down and filmed and played with makeup for a little bit. So I'm gonna do a purple eyeshadow look. For the sake of saving time, I've just popped on my foundation base. I will put all the products I use in the description, but it's all things that I've used literally in every video, so I thought I would skip that so we can go straight into eyes. And for eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty palette. This is the Amethyst Obsessions palette. Mostly this palette, and then something also from Fenty Beauty as well. So let's get stuck in. Before we start packing on the purple, I'm going to just pop down a transition shade, just this one here, Peach Tea by the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. Then with this deep purple shimmer tone, I'm just using a fluffy brush, just going on the outer edge of the eye. Then I'm going to blend that all the way up into the crease. Alright, don't worry if it's looking messy. This is one of those looks that is a bit messy before it gets tidied up. So now with just my finger in the same shade, I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner of the eye, just on the lid. Now that it's looking nice and vibrant, just going to buff that in. Just a tiny bit so that there's no patchiness. And then with the brush we used initially with our transition shade, just whatever's left on the brush, just going to buff out the edges. Now with this lighter purple shimmer and just another fluffy brush, I'm going to fill up this space in the inner half of the eye. And then also working it from the inner corner into the crease. Then again with my transition brush, just buffing everything in. Alright, on the lower lash line, I'm using that same shade, and this is going all along the bottom. And then with the deeper purple again, just connecting this top outer edge to the bottom. And of course, just blending any edges. So pretty. So now we're going to add from the Fenty Beauty, this is the Killawatt Foil Highlighting Palette. It's just this top purpley pearlescent color there, just with a finger into the inner corner. Feel free to pack that baby on. Just with my beauty blender, I'm just tapping underneath. I'm not trying to get like a harsh line or anything like that. Just blend any out. Okay, really happy with the shadows. I'm gonna leave my mascara till the end, so let's do some highlight. Going in with my trusty Natasha Denona Blush and Glow highlight there. Going in with blush by BECCA. This is the shade Hyacinth, a super bright pink tone, so I'm going to be very gentle with this. And then as per usual, right up under the eyes and on top of the apples of the cheeks. Then just with the excess across the bridge of my nose. And a tiny bit on the chin. That's a really cute color. Okay, brows. Going in with Precisely My Brow in the shade 6. And I'm just gonna fill in any sparse areas. My brows are kind of a mess at the moment, so please excuse how hairy they are. And then just over the top with Gimme Brow in number 5. I should really open up my boy brow. I went to Glossier while I was in New York. I put up a New York vlog if you haven't seen it. It should be my last video. And yeah, I went to Glossier and picked up a few products, and I really want to try the boy brow, but I've kind of been saving all the products for a full face of Glossier makeup. I guess it doesn't have to be a first impressions, but haven't busted it out yet. Let me know if you want to see the Glossier makeup video. Alright, we're on the home stretch. The Chill Spray by Urban Decay to set everything. Then for mascara, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex. I love this mascara, but I do find that I have to kind of comb my lashes through after because I've had a lash lift, so my lashes kind of just curl onto each other with half of them fallen out of the lash lift and half of them still curled. But look how fluttery and doll-like my lashes look. I love it. Okay, but for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the BADgal Bang. This is just a little sample size. It's nice and small and easy to get into those lower lashes. Just applying a lippy. This one is the Joli Rouge by Clarins in the shade Soft Berry. And then finally, I'm going to go over some of my beauty spots, as I always do in every video. Alright guys, this is the final makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments. I love your suggestions as always. I have in my notes that you want to see the boy beats, so I could do my take on that. Also, I have that you want to see my brow tutorial, which is very basic, I think, but I could do that too. And then I could do something with the Glossier makeup that I picked up in New York. The world is your oyster. Let me know what you want. Until next time guys, I'll see you around. Mwah.